Hello and welcome to El Segundo TV News, where we inform you about issues and topics happening in the city of El Segundo. I'm Jennifer Murillo. At the El Segundo City Council meeting on January 16th, the El Segundo Chamber of Commerce presented trophies to parade winners. During the meeting, City Council also discussed short-term rentals through websites like Airbnb in the city. Residents spoke on the consideration put forward by City Council to formally legalize these rentals, require them to have permits, as well as the option to impose fines on these rentals that generate repeated noise and nuisance complaints. To watch the meeting in its entirety, go to the city website at elsegundo.org and click on the video and meetings link. As part of public outreach, the city just wrapped up a customer satisfaction survey. The survey was conducted by Quality Solutions Incorporated to assess customer satisfaction with multiple attributes, record customer opinions as to how the city of El Segundo can better serve residents, and provide a framework to build an integrated customer satisfaction. If viewers have suggestions for ESTV, you can contact the station at 310-524-2720 or email elsegundotv@elsegundo.org. If a street light is out on your street, report it to SoCal Edison. Reporting it is easy. Just go to their website or go to the city website at elsegundo.org for a shortcut to the link. Also, Republic Services has a new municipal relations manager. If you have any questions or issues to report, contact Don Harris at dharris@republicservices.com or by calling 310-436-7339. Got an old phone and don't know what to do with it? Donate it to El Segundo High School. ESHS had a company donate over 100 virtual reality headsets that require a mobile device, specifically a cell phone, to function. If interested in donating an iPhone or Android, you can drop off the phone at the main office. Just be sure to erase all data and unlock your phone. If you need help on how to erase data, go to the link provided on the school website at elsegundohigh.org. Well, that's all for today. Remember, you can also keep up with us on Facebook and on YouTube by searching El Segundo TV. Thanks for watching El Segundo TV News. I'm Jennifer Murillo. We'll see you next time.